Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to ETA Tricks. Today we are going to discuss that how can we find the number of isomers for alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First of all, we will discuss the tricks for finding the number of isomers in alkane. The first formula is when number, remember that in this presentation n means the number of carbon atoms. When the number of carbon atoms are from 3 to 7, so you can use this formula to find the number of isomers, that 2 to power n minus 4 plus 1. Now when the number of carbon atoms are 8, so the formula for finding the number of isomers is 2 into n minus 4 plus 1. When the number of carbon atoms are 9, so the formula for finding the number of isomers is 2 to power n minus 4 plus 3. And when the number of carbon atoms is 10, so the formula for finding the number of isomers is 2 to power n minus 4 plus 1 plus n. Now we will discuss the tricks for alkene. For even number of carbon atoms, when you have given a member of alkene series and the number of carbon atoms are even, mean these are 4, 6, 8, 10, so to find the number of isomers you can use this formula, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n minus 2 plus 1. When the number of carbon atoms in the alkene are odd, mean it is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so the number of isomers can be found by this formula, 2 to power n minus 2. Now the tricks for alkynes. If the number of carbon atoms in an alkyne are even, so you can use this formula, that 2 into 2 to power n minus 2 n minus 1. For odd number of carbon atoms in an alkyne, the number of isomers can be found by 2 to power n minus 2n. Remember, the second n is not in the power. Now to find the number of optical isomers, the formula is 2 to power n, but in this formula the n is not the number of carbon atoms, n is the number of chiral carbons. Remember this point. To find the number of geometric isomers, you can use this formula, 2 to power n. But remember also here that n is not the number of carbon atoms, n is the number of double bonds. In optical isomerism, n is the number of chiral carbons, and in geometric isomers, n is the number of double bonds. Best of luck.